Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi BlackShark 5 Pro device, and now I will show you the top 3 best themes for this phone. So, firstly, open Themes Store and find the theme, from third place on our top. This theme called Style iOS. So just find Style, iOS. Find this theme, click free to download the theme, wait a while and click apply. As you can see, this theme changes your lock screen, your home screen, your system icons and icons. So this theme really replicates iOS style, iOS design, iOS icons and iOS colors on your system settings. So this is fine. This is fine theme and looks pretty, I don't know. So this theme has a third place in our top, but on the second place is Clouds theme. So go back and find Clouds here. Choose More and scroll down. I can see Clouds. Wait a while. I need to find it. Okay, it's here. So find Clouds theme. Click on the free button to download. And then click apply. As you can see, this theme changed lock screen, home screen, system and icons too. So this theme also changed the icons on the home screen, changed the visual appearance of the clock, and also set the anime style background in the settings menu in the on your home screen. So it's really cute. So on the first place in our top is proudly the Hydrogen Ball theme. So let's find it. Just find Hydrogen Ball. Download it and click apply. As you can see, this theme also changed lock screen, home screen, system and icons, but just check it. As you can see, this theme redraws all your icons, not only popular apps, but all apps. This theme changed your widgets, so it changed clock widget, calendar widget, and the weather widgets. This theme redraws your system icons too. And this theme changed your lock screen, so just check it. But you need to know, if you want to unlock your device when you're using this theme, just swipe from left to right, not from down to up. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.